Everyone, good morning. I'm going to start a web series about yoga and expounding on the understanding of yoga, what yoga is. And so this is the introductory video in the whole series of videos that I'm going to make. I don't know how soon I can, but I'll try my best. So let's just begin with understanding yoga. You see a lot of people doing a lot of difficult postures, and that's what we usually understand by yoga, isn't it? So this is the conventional way how we see yoga, as improving the flexibility and suppleness in the body, and that's it. There is a little aspect that people include, the pranayam, the breathing and meditation, but so far what I have seen is the conventional way of understanding yoga. It is restricted with only the body postures and yoga asana. That remains the mainstay of yoga. So, in my experiential understanding of teaching and having seen people teach yoga, different sorts of people teach yoga, uh, this is one small little thing which I experience, that yoga is simply, it's like a journey. It's a tool. First of all, we need to understand it very essentially, that yoga is only a tool of doing what? Tool of going from the tangible aspects of our life to the intangible. Why? Because we live our life in a very, very tangible way. We get up in the morning, we go about our work, we do things. Everything in our life is very tangible. So, immediately, if we want to understand the intangible aspect of ourselves, of our own consciousness, it becomes difficult. So that's how you start doing the tangible tools which are in your hand, like breathing techniques, pranayam, which we call it as pranayam, and yoga asanas, and meditation techniques also. These are simply tools. These are the tangible aspects of yoga. These are not yoga as such. Yoga is a whole journey, it's a whole spectrum. When you start moving from the tangible to the intangible, when you get the taste of intangible through the tangible, that is when yoga begins. And the journey is almost never ending. It's an endless journey of self exploration, of self discovery. But the important part is that yoga asana and the postures are a very small part of yoga. Like in Patanjali Yoga Sutra also, it's mentioning Ashtanga Yoga. So there are 8 limbs of yoga. It doesn't mention that these are 8 steps. These are 8 limbs of yoga. So tangible and intangible, they happen together. It's not like that you have to move from tangible to intangible. It's just that intangible is so difficult to grasp that sometimes you have to work on the tangible aspects of our lives, so that you can understand and gain a broader understanding for the intangible aspects of your own self, so that you can develop the genuine seed of self exploration within. And then the whole journey never ends. It's like discovering more and more, unearthing more and more of yourself every single moment. So take it like that. It's like all the tangible tools of yoga are like tilling the soil, when you prepare the ground for sowing of the seeds, sowing of the crops. But if you keep on tilling the ground constantly without understanding that after a certain point of time the tilling of the soil has to be dropped, so that the sapling can be sown, seed can be sown, that's what the important thing is, that's what the main thing is. So understanding that the tangible aspects of yoga are just a tool. When you go a little deeper, then you might have to drop them also. It's not that necessary, it's just a tool. What happens usually is we are caught in a cycle of using the tangible aspects of yoga again and again, thinking that it will lead us somewhere, and we are caught in that loop. However religiously do you do your practices, however discipline, in a very disciplined manner you are doing your practices of yoga and meditation and pranayama, it should come to a point where you should not be needing to be habituated to these tools. That's what yoga is. So we will discuss this a little further as we go about this series of discourses or monologues or whatever you want to call them. And that's it for today. I hope you like it. If you like it, please share it and comment if you have any suggestions. And bye. Take care.